the lighter.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Oh god, there's a car.
Watch out, guys.
You're an idiot.
It's still going. It's like an Elmo doll. You let it on fire, they won't stop. Oh, wait, it died.
Turn that. Turn it back on now.
Hold on. Ow, 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 ow! Folks, I think the show's over.
It's pretty.
Is this its foot?
Oh, yeah, it's his foot. Oh, look at his wing, it's burning off.
Oh, it smells.
Its arm's melting off. There goes his other arm. Oh my god.
Oh no! What the heck?
It's still walking. No, you should be good. It's just button cells. That's all it's gonna do.
No, they're double A's, dude.
Are they double A's?
Is it gonna explode?
No, it'll just go snap, crackle, pop, kaplooey.
One hit my pants,
Really?
and that's exactly why I said to change that.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the result of a fun evening with a chicken that was really annoying.
Well, hey, what are we gonna call this?
The fried chicken dance.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out. This should be interesting. Roll him.
Oh, try again.
Okay, I got a little snow tissue.
Excuse
Stop.
me.
I'm trying to put it out.
No, don't put it out yet. Hold on. Just let it burn completely. Seriously. All I want to be left is a pile of slag.
I'm nervous that it's gonna.
No, it's already exploded. Their batteries are right there.
Rice Krispies. See, we even got our product placement.
Hold on. No, please don't put it out. Just let it burn.
I just like hearing that.
Sizzler.
How does it work?
Taste the nectar of the gods.
It kind of melted itself to the street.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, that's right.
This is amazing. Fried chicken on the grill.
Okay, get the rest of it.
No, hold on.
Don't let your shoe on fire.
It has
Shoe fire! Shoe fire!
Alright, before we get arrested, here we
Hold
go.
on, hold on.
We're not gonna call the cops. That or there's.
Dude,
Or the neighbors will.
Are you kidding me? Get ready to film. I think he's gonna do something amazing. Oh, maybe not.
Is he capable of it?
Oh.
Dave, do something amazing?
Just kidding. All these cars passing by probably think that we're
Insane.
idiots. Yeah, there you go. That's what we're looking for.
Filming and everything
Oh my
forever.
gosh.
You know you're right in the middle of what you just created.
That's
Wait,
really cool.
We made a giant burning thing, and I stood in the middle of it and took a picture, and I was like, "See how you?" It was hilarious.
There you go.
Now let it burn some more. Like I wanted to scrape this off the tarmac and bring it inside and show your parents. Like, look, you really wanted to put that out? I got some stuff in the truck.
No, I'm just, again,
Fried chicken. It's a nut. You can play outside.